Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you the NVF-T, a leveling disc harrow with permanent flotation tube and high performance in the field. This harrow was developed for leveling, incorporating herbicides and scraping, with unique operating performance. The NVF-T is available in versions from 48 to 72 discs. These versions meet the needs of different types of jobs in small, medium, and large properties. To ensure that nothing important is missing from the assembly, I will go over its main components here. Shall we go? Front side frames. Support the front sections of the discs. Rear side frames. Support the rear sections of the discs. Connection bar. It serves as a lock for the fluctuation of the harrow. Crossbar. Connects the harrow to the coupling header. Front and rear opening bars. It helps to open and close the cut angle of the harrow through the piston. Head for transport. Assists in the detachment from work. Coupling header. Joins the harrow to the tractor through the crossbar. Header lift hydraulic cylinder. Discs. Set of discs that work with the earth. Oil distributor. Helps in the organization of hydraulic hoses. Third point hitch. Coupled to the harrow. It helps to transport the grader. Cleaners. Bearing. Supports the shaft, helping it to rotate with less friction. Tires. Hydraulic cylinder tire lift. Hydraulic hoses. Carry the hydraulic fluid from the tractor to the cylinders. Wheel axle support. Supports the transport wheels. Manual container. Stores the instruction manual, protecting it from the rain and sun. Hose support. Serves as a protection so that the hoses are not damaged during transport and work. Wrench. Used in the assembly of the harrow, according to the model. Chain links. Safety chains for the transport of the harrow. To facilitate transportation and optimize the value of freight, the NVF-T leaves the factory unassembled, okay? When receiving it, you need to follow some important steps to get it ready for the first use. First, assemble the disc sections according to the model purchased. Repeat the process for all sections. Then, Place the disc sections in the front and rear frames, matching the holes in the shoes with those in the bearings. Couple the right and left front frames. Secure them with the pin. Repeat the operation for the rear frames. Then attach the front and rear frame assemblies. Place the wipers on the frames. Assemble the opening system. Attach the stop to the front bar. Attach the front bar to the right front side frame. Attach the rear opening bar to the right rear side frame. And on the front bar. Next, attach the hydraulic cylinder base to the right front side frame. And the rod on the front bar. Finish by attaching the hydraulic hoses to the hydraulic cylinder. Assemble the wheel axle. Proceed as follows. Attach the wheel axle support to the left front frame. Couple the tire. Then attach the base of the hydraulic cylinder to the left front frame. And the rod on the wheel axle support. Finally, attach the hydraulic hoses. Now, let's assemble the header. Attach the crossbar to the front side frames and between them place the UHMW washers. Then, attach the coupling header to the crossbar. Finish by attaching the hose support to the coupling header. Mount the header hydraulic cylinder. Attach the coupling bracket to the crossbar. Attach the hydraulic cylinder base to the right front side frame. And the rod on the coupling bracket. Finish by coupling the nipple and hydraulic hoses. To transport your grader, attach the transport header to the right front side frame. Between the header and the frame, place the UHMW washers. Attach the third-point hitch to the header for transportation. Finish by attaching the hose support to the header for transportation. To assemble the hydraulic system, use the diagram in the instruction manual. If necessary, calibrate the tires according to the instruction. Lubricate the points indicated in the instruction manual. It's ready! Check out how the grader arrives and what it should look like after you have completed the assembly. Now, let's learn about some possibilities of adjustments that the grader has. To place the NVF-T in the working position, proceed as follows. Remove the hydraulic cylinder rod lock. Fix and lock on the wheel axle support. Operate the hydraulic cylinder to lift the tire. Remove the lock. Push the pin until the cotter pin touches the inner wall of the support and replace the lock, locking the pin. Release the safety chain from the tractor and header for transportation. Disconnect the hoses from the tractor. Disengage the support from the third point and exit slowly with the tractor. Unlock the header for transportation through the lock and flat washer. Remove the pin. Lift the header for transport, fixing through the pin, flat washer and lock. To unlock the frames, remove the pin. Articulate the bar, unlocking it from the frame and fixing it at the other point. Slowly approach the tractor to the grader in reverse, paying attention to the application of the brakes at a distance of 3 meters. Then check that the couplings are clean. If not, clean them. Unlock the coupling header. Operate the hydraulic cylinder to lower the coupling header and replace the pin, washer, and lock. Disengage the hydraulic cylinder and activate it to close. rotate the coupling bracket to attach it to the second point. The depth of the cut can be adjusted by opening and closing the rear frame using the hydraulic cylinder. In terrains with greater difficulty of penetration, increase the opening. On light and loose terrain, decrease. The machine leaves the factory with 10 limit rings that also assist in the control of working depth. To do this, insert or remove these rings from the hydraulic cylinder as needed. Adjusting the drawbar angle ensures a greater or lesser angle of penetration of the discs. To perform it, use the 4 adjustment points on the crossbar. Loosen the nut. Remove the screw and turn the coupling head to the desired adjustment and fix it again. To find out the approximate hourly yield of your grader, use the following formula. Finally, to place the NVF-T in the transport position, fully close the NVF-T and lock the frame. Remove the pin and lower the header for transportation. Lock the header for transport. Articulate the bar by unlocking and locking it in the frame using the same pin. Disengage the hydraulic cylinder and engage to open. Using the coupling bracket, rotate the hydraulic cylinder to couple it. Release the lock and the flat washer and remove the pin. Activate the hydraulic cylinder. Articulate the coupling header and lock it by replacing the pin. Remove the lock. Pull the pin until the hole is on the inside of the support. Replace the lock, locking the pin. Operate the hydraulic cylinder to lower the tire to the ground. Remove the wheel axle bracket lock. Attach the lock to the hydraulic cylinder rod. Finish by attaching the safety chain to the transport header and the tractor. Here are some important tips to extend the life of the grader. Now, let's see some options that Baldan makes available for the NVF-T and can be purchased according to the need. Discs with a diameter of 20, 22, or 24 inches. Bearings with oil or grease lubrication. Header lift system. Always consult a Baldan dealer to find out which options are best suited to your working condition. Your grader is unique, so it is important to keep your identification visible for any consultation, okay? The nameplate has model, serial number, manufacturing date, in addition to a QR code, which when scanned with your cell phone, it leads directly to the instruction manual, parts catalog, and this video. It's that simple. Oh, and so that no one runs out of information, the NVF-T still comes with a printed version of the manual, which is properly protected in a container on its rear. Until next time, everyone.